So Kumbhika, now we are going to start our part 2. Here is your cue card. 1 minute will be given to you to think about this given topic, and 2 minutes will be given to you to speak over this. You can make your points. Start, please. Okay. So nowadays, different kinds of movies are available all over the world, like English, Hindi, Punjabi, and even more than that. And if I talk about myself, I love watching movies, and while growing up, I have watched a number of movies. But recently, I have developed a new genre, and I like watching it, which is anime. And there's a specific movie that I love, which is Suzumi. It was released in India as well, and it has reached till its peak. And it's based on natural calamities, which everybody's known that Japan struck a lot of destructive earthquakes each and every year. But even after those, how it uh, changed itself and rebuilt all those things that take a long. So in this movie also, how a girl gets into these supernatural calamities and save Japan from getting struck by such earthquakes. And but I haven't got chance to watch it in cinema. But if I ever got a chance to see it in cinema, I'll definitely do it because it was known for its story, its cinematography, effects, and so on, and even animation. And as the name says, anime, it's known for its animations. And recently, its side title tracks. Okay, Kumbhika, with this year part 2 is over. Now we are going to start our part 3, which is follow. So, what kind of movies are popular in your country? Well, there are so many genres available nowadays, and recently there are some kinds of Korean movies and other dub movies, and even Tollywood nowadays. It has won Oscar as well. Okay, why the youngsters of your country mostly love to watch Hollywood movies rather than the Bollywood ones? Well, as per my perception, because there's a lot more than stories, their animation, their kind of gestures, and so on. That's why people love watching Hollywood movies. Okay. Well, according to you, should children watch movies? Definitely. Well, for children, there are different kinds of movies available for them. For example, as I was growing up, I have watched a lot of movies, for example, for Lord Krishna and Lord Rama, and so on. What kind of movies should children watch? Well, as per my perception, children should watch like anime movie which have some moral in them, and they should be taught values and their family values and so. Has your choice of movie changed now as compared to your childhood? Definitely, it keeps on changing as I've told you earlier. That earlier I like watching Hollywood movies, Bollywood, and now I am into animes. And after watching that, now I got to know that how much it takes to get that emotion into a cartoon character. After watching that, I am more into such types. Why it has changed now? Because I'm also in movie, it keeps on changing, and right now I'm more as a and I am a nature lover, and these animes are basically based on some natural calamities and even some moral values and so on. Okay. Is there any difference between the choice of the youngsters or the old people? Definitely. Older people like to watch movies, Hindi movies, basically Hindi movies. But now younger generations are into more of Hollywood movies and some dub one. Okay. With this, your speaking test is over. Thank you so much, Shubhita. Thank you.